In the diagram, the line PQ is parallel to the line TR. Angle PSQ is equal to 30 degrees. Angle QPR is a right angle, and angle QST is equal to Y. Find the value of Y. This is a multiple choice question, and so we will solve the question, and after that we will pick the correct option. We are going to use the information found on this diagram to find the value of Y. The question tells us that the line PQ is parallel to the line TR. If you have two parallel lines, so if you have this line parallel to this line, and we have a transversal crossing it, the angle formed here and the angle formed here are alternate angles, and alternate angles are equal. So when we look on the diagram, you can see that PQ is parallel to TR, and SQ is a transversal crossing them. And because SQ is a transversal crossing them, then the angle formed at point Q, which is 30 degrees, and the angle formed at point X, which I have indicated here, will be alternate angles, just as we can see from this simple diagram that I have indicated here. And alternate angles are equal. So we can say that angle RSQ, which is this angle formed here, is equal to angle PQS, which is the 30 degrees angle formed here. And the reason is that they are alternate angles. So the angle we have here is 30 degrees. As we can see from the diagram, Y and 30 degrees falls on the straight line TR, and angles on the straight line sum up to 180 degrees. So we can say that Y plus 30 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. And so Y will be equal to 180 degrees minus 30 degrees. 180 degrees minus 30 degrees will give us 150 degrees. So it means the value of Y is 150 degrees. When we look through the options, we can see that the correct option is B.